Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show the highlight menu when you select a passage of the text on the Kindle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the one of your readings, and after that tap on this AA icon at the top of the screen. Click on the More section at the top of this white box. Now scroll down till you find the highlight menu section. As you can see, if you turn this on, you will show the highlight menu when you select a passage of the text. So let's try this out. Go back to the reading and select a part of your reading that you want to highlight. Here this highlight section has appeared at the top. As you can see, you can select from 4 highlighter colors. Tap on the relevant one, and now that passage of your reading has been highlighted, as you can see. So if you want to undo this highlight, tap on the relevant part again and click on the color that you have used. So now the highlight has disappeared. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.